Morning, Nottinghamshire Madness fans. Little video diary this morning. We're at Mansfield railway station. We're just on a ride to work, so I just thought I'd let you have a read at this because we're on this Pinkston tramway thing again. If you remember, we did a video on the bridge a few weeks ago near the Kingsmill Reservoir. So this is Mansfield railway station. Just a little diary vlog because we're off to Worksop for a ride on the canal. So I tried to bring you another video vlog on that, but we did do the canal twice. I don't want to bore you with it, but it's a Brompton Nottingham led ride, and I just thought I'd give you a little view of Mansfield railway station. Beautiful sunny day, lovely old station. I think something to do with Brunel in its history. Little sign here, welcome to Mansfield, guys.